Alright, so we're here at the apartment complex with the air conditioner Heavens. And this is my second time filming these air conditioner outside the units. So yeah, so we have a Coleman. Got a Bristol compressor. And it's from 2010, that's a 3-ton. It's got GE General Electric. This one's broad ocean fan motor. And over here, here's another one. Here's Elixir. Bristol reciprocating. This one's from 2012, that's a 4-ton. Over here we have 2 Yorks. Bristol, oh, it just started up. This one just started, that one just kicked on. Here one's from 2001. 1.5 ton. Here's these ones. And over here we have a GOODMANS, which is AMANAS. Got it all Coleman reciprocating compressors. Broad ocean fan motor. I believe that's from early 2000s. I'm not gonna get to the data sheets here. And over here we have York. Oh, someone just kicked on. Here's a Yorks. And this one here is a Coleman. Just got shut off here. This is the bad guy here. Here's a Coleman. Has a Bristol reciprocating. 2015. 1.5 ton. And here's all Colemans. Has a Bristol reciprocating, GE motor, 2001's 1.5 ton. Here's the last one. I believe that's the same thing. 2001. Suction line is ice cold, sweaty, been running. Something just kicked on. Yep, they were all GOODMANS. That one just kicked on. So that's the only one that 2 kicked on. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Peace.